Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing, or better yet, unbagging for this upgrade kit, Fire in the Lake upgrade kit for 2nd edition. So it's the upgrade kit for this game. I have here the 1st edition, the one in 2014. Very nice game, by the way. But I can't be truly a war games hoarder and a self-professed Mark Herman fanboy if I didn't get the upgrade kit. So we have a nice Ziploc with some nice contents. Let's see. Let's do a quick review of them. First and foremost, we have 2 packs of cards. So these are replacement cards for the game. And then we have the rules, the rule book, same style as the old one, but the usual GMT stuff, colored with plenty of examples. So the rule book goes at 28 pages with counter manifest. Then we have a playbook with a tutorial and non-player examples. 2nd edition updates to the playbook. So we have a playthrough, full color, as usual, 24 pages. And then we have the operations for the NLF, aka Viet Cong, the National Liberation Front, for the Republic of Vietnam, for the United States and North Vietnam. Of course, I won't be making a parallel between the 1st edition and the 2nd edition, and this is just a quick show and tell. Then the non-player bots, flowcharts for the US non-player, NVA, VC or NLF, and the ARVM. So this is in 2 examples, 2 issues, and here we have 4 copies of the operations. Then we have species list, force pool, sequence of play, again in 2 copies, and non-player coup run procedures, random spaces map, and special event instructions for all the cards. So this is about it. I won't be opening the package. These are, I believe, the same style of cards, but probably with different with some of them changed. I don't know. I will be looking into it pretty soon, I hope. Um, it's depending on how much time will I have, but I'm looking forward to looking forward to playing this and having an in-depth assessment regarding of what changed. But some of you out there are pretty much more aware of these than I am. But nevertheless, I'm very excited. This is my show and tell for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.